Delta Infant Changing Table with Pad, White by Delta Children is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Simplistic in detail, and ready for the job, this easy-to-coordinate changing table has a strong and sturdy wood construction, and comes in several popular finishes. It features clean lines, and a fully enclosed dressing area for extra security. Two spacious open shelves are ideal for all the diapers, wipes, creams, and toys you'll need to get through all those changes. A changing pad is included. Assembly is required. Do not spray cleaners directly onto furniture. Strong and sturdy wood construction. Includes water-resistant changing pad with safety strap. Includes 2 fixed shelves for open storage. Safety rails enclose all 4 sides around the top of the table. Non-toxic finish tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed government and ASTM safety standards, made of solid wood and wood composites, easy assembly. This item is eligible for free replacement parts. Contact Amazon customer service for more information.